Hey great people, Saratu here. I want to teach you how I made this herb-rich chicken wings. So you need curry, you need thyme, you need cinnamon and a mixed herb. You would also need blended cayenne pepper, you need garlic, ginger, you need black pepper, you need turmeric, you need grated onion, you need salt, and then you need vegetable oil. So that's my washed chicken wings. I just mix everything together. You can use any herb of your choice, to be honest, but I used this and it came out really nice. And so that just goes to say you do not necessarily need so much to achieve a great meal, right? So yeah, you mix everything thoroughly and ensure that every wing, every corner, every part gets the ingredients. In fact, some people go as far as, dicing and just chopping it a bit to get the ingredients in. I didn't need to do that, and trust me, all the all the ingredients that I've used in. Anyways, after this, I've wrapped it. You can use any cover you like or any film to just seal it and put it in the fridge. I put mine overnight. You can put yours for nothing less than 2 hours, anyways, in the fridge just for you to get the seasoning. And this is what it looks like at the end of the day. Really rich and crunchy. Not crunchy, but yeah, rich. And yeah, the finishing is with oyster sauce, but you can finish yours with any seasoning cube of your choice if you don't have oyster sauce. And then just go on to just mix it properly. And then I have my pan now. I'm going to grill mine. If you don't have a grill or any oven, you can fry yours. Just make sure it's not overly crowded in the pan and use very little oil, basically enough oil to fry it. And you can just use from, like 3 to 5 pieces basically. And then yep, I'm putting it in the oven now. You can see I didn't overly crowd the pan, and I made sure everyone is well coated with the you know the juice, or is it the marinade? Yeah. So yeah, I just grill it for like 30 minutes under 175 degrees, and boom, our chicken wings is ready basically. So I've served mine, or rather I served mine with rice, and I also used it to serve as a snack with a drink. I served it to guests, and the leftover was used for egusi soup. So you can use it any which way you like. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. My old always felt so pretty.